Today, we're going to be unboxing the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro and giving our initial impressions. Let's open it up and see how it looks. So right on the inside, they've just got some instructions, it looks like. Setup and shooting positions. First thought, it's a little heavier than I thought it would be. This is my first gimbal. So let's start with what's in the package. It looks like we have some instructions for iOS, Android, and the free tilt mode. We've got this soft bag. Now here we've got the magnetic phone clamp. They have a whole list of phones that are compatible on the website, so make sure you double check that yours is compatible. And now for the gimbal. I decided to get this one because it folds up, as you can see. It is much more portable. Now let's see how to open this. I gotta read the guide real quick. Here's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the clamp. Feels nice and secure. And then we just hook it on like that. Now I don't know how to open this thing. Oh, okay. So you do have to pull it. It felt a little weird at first, and it felt like I was going to break it, but here we go. Okay, so there we go. It's on there. It's stabilizing already. Now this phone is dead. I just put it in there to weigh it. Now there's a bunch of different modes. Now this has 3-axis stabilization. I don't really know much about it. All I know is that it stabilizes the phone. I don't know much about gimbals. This is my very first one. So I will be testing it out and hopefully do a proper review sometime in the next week. Well, I'm going to download the app, test it out, and I'll get back to you. But yeah, this is the unboxing. It did feel pretty heavy by itself, but now that the phone's on it with the stabilizer, it actually feels lighter, more comfortable. This is pretty cool. I'm excited to give this a try, and I'll get back to you guys with some more feedback on it. I'm gonna have to see how to remove the phone. But if you can see here, there's the wheel for zoom, as well as motion control, and all the buttons, which I'll have to figure out what they all do. There's a trigger here as well. There's also a trigger right here. The buttons. There's a light back here, which I don't know if you can adjust the brightness on that or what that's really meant for. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to turn this thing off, and I will give you some updates. I will say these instructions are not super clear. I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off and put it away, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. That doesn't feel right. Oh, okay. So I guess you do just close the handle. And then you just lock it into place like that. So yeah, I mean, this is my first gimbal. Didn't really know what to expect. Seems cool. I'm excited to give it a try. Opening and closing feels kind of strange, but I guess that's how you do it. Felt like I was gonna break it, but it feels pretty solid, feels sturdy. It's got a heavy base, which is nice, but it's still lightweight when you get the phone up on there. Oh, okay, so you just pull that too. Pretty easy. Just feels kind of strange, but it feels sturdy. Everything seems fine, so I'll be back with an update. I think it turns off by itself. I'll have to do some more research, but yeah, this is just your average review. Someone who doesn't know every detail. I'll just give you my honest opinion on everything, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm always willing to learn as well. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer you the best I can. I'll always be honest about my review. I don't know much about a lot of stuff. I'm just a normal consumer, probably like you. I don't know every single tech detail, but I will tell you what stands out to me as someone who doesn't know everything about the product. So thank you guys very much, and give me some feedback. I'm new to this. And yeah, I'll be putting it away now.